and hand on your forehead. Breathing in through the nose, into your heart, love and gratitude. And then just take away your hand from the head, breathing in love and gratitude, and radiating that love and gratitude up to the head. So you've got heart and mind coherence, guys. So you're breathing in love and gratitude into the heart, and then radiating it up into the mind, because your heart has neurons in it that communicate with the mind. Your mind has neurons that communicate with the heart, and that's just science, guys. So breathing in love and gratitude. So you continue with this with your hand over your heart, breathing in gratitude and love for quite a few minutes, and slowing your breath down, and then imagining the radiation of the love going to your mind. So you have heart-mind alignment, coherence. And then you also connect with the field. So you have, it's aligning yourself, heart, mind, and source, quantum field. Because we're all part of the field, we're all part of the quantum field. So by showing gratitude and love radiating from your heart upwards to the mind and to the field, you're connecting and you're putting yourself in alignment. Now, research shows that meditation, guys, helps sync your body, your mind, and your soul in alignment with source in the field. It also helps the different hemispheres of your brain. You've got the left and right hemisphere of your brain, and strengthens the corpus callosum, which is the connections between the both hemispheres. So it helps harmonize the brain to meditation, as along with lengthening your lifespan by lengthening the telomeres, which are on the end of the DNA strands. But I'm trying to keep it simple, but that's a bit of background information of why meditation is so good. They've actually measured the length of the telomeres, and they're lengthening, which means you're de-aging, because as you age, your telomeres shorten on your DNA. So by meditating, it's got the effect of lengthening the telomeres and also connecting that vibrational, harmonizing both hemispheres, and also the alignment. But the key to it is actually this first technique you got to do every day to transform is the gratitude and love, which is transmuting, which is totally different than the lower vibrations that most people are caught in: fear, anxiety, doubt, am I good enough, self-worthiness. So you're basically just letting that go away, you're flushing that in the toilet, gone, and you're now using empowering meditation, love, gratitude, to synchronize with the brain, soul, the bindu, speck of white light, with the source. Okay, so that's the first meditation use each day. This is the process of actually transforming your whole identity, letting go of the old identity that's holding you back. So that's the first one, love and gratitude and alignment each day. So doing that each day is key. The